Hello everyone! Welcome here in Urban Deca Homes, Ortigas. Here, we have 1.3 hectares na amenities. We have clubhouse na pwede tayong mag-celebrate like birthdays, anniversary, wedding, and so on. Meron din tayong children's playground, outdoor gym, and soon, ang ating community mall. Ito naman ang ating amenities at night. Meron tayong pocket parks, lagoon with open stage. Dalawa po ang ating basketball courts. Malawak din ang ating jogging at walking paths. And take note, dahil pet-friendly din ang ating community. Ito naman ang ating ground floor parking at meron din tayong courtyard in its building. 10K lang to reserve the unit. And good news, dahil naka-no down payment promo tayo ngayon. Upon approval ng balance, pwede na pong lumipat. So habang naguhulog kayo, ng monthly sariling unit mo na ang hinuhulugan mo. How to avail the promo? Message us now and set a viewing schedule. This is your trusted real estate partner, Agent Mergy. See you!